Welcome back to the garage at DIYGolfCart.com. In today's video, floor mats.
Do it yourself, golf cart. Do it yourself, golf cart. Do it yourself, golf cart. It's the one-stop shop for installing cart parts.
These are the tools we'll be using today. Here are the parts included with your kit for the installation. We'd like to thank RHOX for sending us this Rhino Mat Floor cover for our EZGO RXV. What's great about this mat is it's made from heavy-duty 8mm thick UV protected rubber. It's custom fit for your cart. The water channels are designed to eliminate pooling, and it'll protect your factory floor mat. This is going to be a very simple installation video, so let's get this unboxed and get started. Unbox the floor mat. We will start by taking the floor mat out of the box. Then roll it out on the ground so we can see the right orientation of the mat. We will now install the floor mat. Simply take the floor mat and line it up with the gas and brake pedal, then lay it into place. Well, we just installed this RHOX Rhino mat on our RXV. This thing really feels durable, and I'm sure it's going to do a great job at protecting our cart. If you're interested in one of these for your cart, click the product number below, or be sure to check us out at DIYGolfCart.com. If you have any questions, just comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf cart parts and accessories, check out DIYGolfCart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.